Just preparing everything, guys. See, we have it right. Let me just double check. We're live on Facebook. All right. Just a couple more seconds. There you go. Okay, everyone, welcome back to Trade with JR. Yes, I am JR. So, just want to do a quick recap. What happened today? Just look at the Great British Pound versus the US dollar. As I said, I was looking for continuation of the trend projection, the entire projection of previous 4 hour candlestick, the bar that we have all the way back to July 22. That was Wednesday, and now as you can see, the price never went back into the neutral rotation. This is where you see the price acting as trying to define, looking basically to define direction. That was not necessary. Never deep under the low of the day, 127.16. So basically, the smart money is telling you and me we don't want to see the Great British Pound. We don't want to see the pound under 127.00. That's the round figure. That's how powerful those figures are. And look what the price did. It pushed higher all the way 64 pips. We have, let's see, the high so far, 127.94. So far now, it's pushing higher, 127.93, looking to probably by the end of the bell, the New York session, go ahead and hit that 128, why not 128.15. I do in fact want to share with you the idea how we were tracing this. For the purpose, I repeat, for the purpose of the open videos and everything, this is not exactly what we do in the trade room, but just to give you an idea, just to track the idea. If you were to take this exactly as I indicated, you will see you'll have the first trade that we entered during the first video today, 587 euros. Yeah, this account is in euros. It will be different for those of you that have your account denominated in Great British Pounds. And for those of you who have it in US dollars, again, another story. I'm going to go ahead and close this. We'll see if we can get a few more seconds, if we can tackle the full 600 euros. Give it a little bit. So as you can see, we're just working with these values. These values coming again. If you want to learn exactly how I did it, just go back to the first video. Not too far from the opening, the London opening. So now I want to see really what it's going to take next week. If there's going to be enough strength from GBP bulls, Great British Pound bulls, if there's going to be more interest, that will happen during the weekend. I sent another order to one of my clients. He is trading our signals as well. If you want to know, if you have interest, if you want to know more about our FX signals, we send you the ideas. You just have to execute. Please reach out to us on the contact page that we have. So let's see if we can get a little bit more. If not, I'm just going to close the trade and call it for the day and record this as a strong win. Now, the second idea, the second trade, this one, we placed this. If you go back and check, review the video, watch it, see how I did it. This was placed with a buy stop. The buy stop, what it does is, as soon as the price reaches that level, the order gets executed, goes live to the markets, and it's added. So what I said is this: I want to trade in the direction of the trend. I want to buy strength. I don't want to buy losers. I don't want any one of you. I don't want those of you watching these videos to build bad habits. I want you guys to build atomic habits. That means that you are going to be better. I don't want you to listen to same old myth of expecting a reversal from positions that are making you bleed. That's how you actually go broke. And it's not only in trading, it's also we have the 600, and I'm going to close. And we'll wait a little bit to explain more the second trade. That's how you go broke in businesses. Hey guys, sometimes it doesn't work. That's simple as it is. Probably you have a restaurant, something happened, you just have to face it. Either you have the capacity to adapt to the new conditions of the market. In this case, COVID-19 changing everything, changing the horizon for every one of us. So if that's the case, you need to adapt. But the worst thing you can do is to add more money or to sink more money into the water. You don't throw good money after bad investments. And that's one of the, in reality, that's the worst mistake that newcomers, those new to trading, uh, practice. I've seen this so many times. And this, and another thing, not really a mistake, but it's something that happens with a lot of trading academies, a lot of trading courses, is don't trade more than one pair at the beginning. I said this all the time, and I talked to my team about it. Talked to Larry about this. Is don't delude yourself looking to be like an American cowboy. You know how they should. You know those movies from the Wild Wild West, like what is that for? Just one bullet to the head, and you kill the man or the women. I don't know what's the deal, but that's what it is, and that's the perspective. So it's the same in trading and investment, and trading and investing. In trading, it's better to focus your attention and your risk capital or a portion of your savings into one solid investment. That's it. In this case, we're doing it with currencies. There's more coming up in the next couple of weeks, and as we grow, the company will have more opportunities to share with you everything that I have learned the last 14 years. Also coming from my experience working for Ross Givens, ex JP Morgan, and a bunch of great guys that taught me so much. And I think it's time for you guys to have the same opportunity that I had in my career. So the second trade was just that continuation of the trend. I was just buying continuation of the trend. That's all I did. I said I was risking only $500 to go with another $500, probably. This is the case. Not too far, we'll see. I'm waiting to see if I can squeeze the 400 euros out of this. I'm just waiting for a little bit more. It looks super bullish. We may hit the 128 any given time. So that's it. That's it. It's just adding to the positions that are doing well. Think about it as a business unit. Are you going to put more money behind things that are not working, or are you going to put money behind the team that is making money for you? Yeah, of course. The team that is making money for you. Are you going to put more of the products that don't sell? Let's say you have a restaurant. You're going to place in front of your customers, the ones paying the bills. You're going to just allocate in front of their faces products that they don't like, or are you going to promote more the ones that have better margins for your business? Same story in trading. Trade what makes you money. And if you're going to add more, add in the direction of the trend. This is a powerful message. Can't stress this enough. It's powerful when you add to things that work. And that's what I did. Buy stop at 127.50. Price, the strength continue. And it's adding an extra with a little bit of work. You didn't even need it to be in front of the screen because it was a pending order. Well, I will talk more about that on Monday. We will come back with more of trading activities and the daily insights. So I'm just going to call it because it's Friday, guys. Just let go 8 euros. Urgh. I just want to have a bite. So I'm going to let you guys go. I'm going to call it for the day. 2 trades. The whole analysis. Watch the daily market insights. We did it in the morning. A little bit, I think it was 1 hour and a half past the London Open. And that's it. Total profit for the day, 982 euros. Now, this is in fact, remember guys, for the purpose of the daily videos, this will be just setting up, guiding you. And yes, this is a demo account, simulation account. The real money, you want to see the real money? I'll get to you the real money next week as we close with clients July. And then we'll do a recap of all the trades we have for the month. I will talk to the clients, see if we can get access to their MyFX book. There's a little bit of, some clients are skeptical about doing that. I don't promise much. We'll at least try to get the screenshot of all the trades. I think we have a decent month. So I will show you exactly what it is. And remember, I'm an analyst. I'm not a trader. I trade because of the circumstances. Most of my clients, they still have careers and they want someone that they can trust, follow, and that they know it's protecting their best interests. Hey guys, this has been a pleasure. What a great start of the, I don't know, the company, if you want to call it, or this venture. I want to thank Larry and everyone involved in the team. This is again JR from Trade with JR. I see you guys next week. Get ready. And remember, until then, you're amazing. Ciao.